Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a very simple and easy to recreate Galentine's Day get ready with me, including and incorporating the awesome Olay Regenerous Collagen Peptide24 Moisturizer. Today I actually use this as my moisturizer and my primer, and it works great for foundation primer, although it isn't sold and pitched that way. It works great for foundation primer. My skin is super hydrated underneath and it just feels amazing. If you're new to my channel, my name is Candace. I do makeup or beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos. If you're not new, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in once again and staying subscribed. Watching my videos if you are new. Hopefully you'll subscribe and stick around so you don't miss anything I post in the future. If you guys would like to see how I created this very easy to recreate look, just keep watching. Hey y'all, so I am using my Olay Regenerous Collagen Peptide24 Hydrating Moisturizer. To start this off, I've already cleansed my face, I've used toner, and this is my next step. This is perfect for makeup anytime, whether it's Galentine's Day or not, to hydrate the skin. I'm gonna put a little down there because I'm wearing jewelry, but you can avoid the area if you so wish to do so. I love this because this moisturizer hydrates better than the more expensive similar moisturizers for a much lower price. And it's easily accessible. You can buy it at Olay.com, your favorite drugstore, basically anywhere that sells Olay, you can find it. And you can already see the difference in my skin compared to the top. I'm just lightly applying this. And actually, this works great as a foundation primer too, so it's like a duo. That's not really one of the benefits that they have for the specific moisturizer in general, but I find that it works really great for moisturizer or for foundation, especially if you have dry skin. I'm just gonna put the remainder down here. Oops, got moisturizer in my hair. Also, if you've never heard of peptides, which is what the moisturizer has in it, it has been known to visibly reduce lines and wrinkles, you know, with continued use, which is always great no matter how old you are. Nobody wants to get premature wrinkles or fine lines, so that's another great added benefit of this. Also, you can use it day or night. Of course, I'm using it during the daytime for now. If you were, you know, going out and using it during the day, I would recommend and also lay suggest using a sunscreen right afterwards because of the nature of the moisturizer. My actual foundation that I'll be using has it in there. I'm going to skip that. It's like taking care of that step basically. So continuing on with my Galentine's Day makeup, my self-care. Now I say Galentine's Day, what I'm doing now is applying some brows. When I say Galentine's Day, you don't necessarily have to be hanging out with anybody. I need a mirror because I can't see from far away. You don't need to necessarily go hang out with anybody. You can definitely stay at home and just treat yourself and pamper yourself. I mean, y'all know I do YouTube videos and very rarely I do go out with makeup, of course, but recently I've been staying home more, you know, relaxing. A lot of us YouTubers put makeup on for YouTube, so we don't necessarily go anywhere with the makeup on. Now that I'm done filling in with product, I'm gonna clean up with some concealer. You can also take like a cream highlight or something. This will be a very simple Galentine's Day look because I want it to be very simple for you guys to recreate it. So I'm starting off with some eye primer. Just make sure to cover the area really well, okay? I'm going to be using some light pink eyeshadows just for a little wash of color. I'm first taking a fluffy brush into the crease, taking this medium matte pink just for a light wash of color. I do want it to have a little pink. I'm being kind of cliche, I know, with Valentines, or Galentines, okay, excuse me. I'm taking this into the crease and this. Above that, I'm just going to take a brow highlight. And that's gonna also help blend out the crease if you make it too colorful, which of course is no problem on this channel, you know, but that's not what we're going for today. I'm gonna add a little more color to the crease because I just can't help myself. All right, I'm gonna take a shimmery light pink for the lid with another slightly fluffy brush. This is just gonna add a light wash of shimmer. Shimmer's always good for Galentine's Day. If you happen to get some into your crease, just go back with that same brush you used. I'm gonna take an even lighter color and pop it into my tear duct. This is really pretty, even though it's really soft. I'm not used to soft at all. I really like this. I think I'm gonna keep it that way. I'm not gonna do anything super dark. I'm actually now going to move on to foundation. Just looks really pretty and feminine. I'm going to now apply some foundation first. Use a foundation brush. always have to be careful around my hairline because I sometimes get foundation there by mistake. I almost forgot this area. I usually always do that too. Okay, next step is concealer. Take one of your choice. So I'm looking at, this is really weird. I'm looking at my previous order I placed for this concealer. I realized they sent me the wrong color. This isn't the color I requested originally, which is why I freaked out so much when I first put it on the first time. Thankfully, it works out. I mean, it did the first time I put it on. Hopefully it does now. It looks crazy now, but we'll see. And it does. I know it looks stark. Relax, I'm gonna blend it. Don't freak. Thankfully, that color worked out. So basically what I did off camera, I just blended out the edges so that the concealer blended more seamlessly into my skin. Next, I'm gonna go back and touch up this color in my inner corner and bring it down some over that concealer I put down. And now I'm going to apply some mascara. Feel free to throw on lashes if you want to. I'm gonna skip them for today, I think. With my mascara, I'm kind of pushing it into my lower lash line so that it touches kind of like the outside of the inner rim. If you can see that, it kind of gives the illusion that I'm wearing eyeliner, but I'm really not. It just helps to kind of thicken them at the bottom. Sorry, noise. That's a little trick if you don't want to apply eyeliner and you want it to appear like a light wash of eyeliner. Kind of looks like I have eyeliner on, but I really don't. It helps thicken them at the baseline. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze. Actually, let me set my under eye really fast. I don't think I really need to though. I will though. I'm gonna set my under eye. If I can find the brush. We'll just use this. I'm gonna put some highlighter on because you have to do highlighter for Valentine's Day. You just have to. It just helps your cheekbones pop and all of that good stuff. Blush. I'm gonna quickly do that. I would do bronzer. I don't really feel like it. And it's not really necessary. I'm just gonna kind of do my blush as bronzer. I'll bring it backwards like I'm doing to the front. 2 in 1. This one has like a purpley hue to it to keep along with the theme of the look, you know? Whoa, it's really bright. Not intentional this time. All right, lips. We are going to stay simple. I'm just gonna take a pink gloss with a little shimmer and frost in it. Hope you enjoyed my Valentine's Day inspired look using the Olay Regenerous Collagen Peptide24. And I didn't show you my skin up close with it. Like literally my skin is so hydrated, even underneath my makeup, and my makeup doesn't feel cakey on top, which is great. I'll have a link below where you can find this amazing moisturizer. Rate the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything that goes live, including future skincare and makeup videos. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.